when Ya'juj and Ma'juj are released, number one. Number two, وَهُمْ مِنْ كُلِّ حَدَبٍ يَنْسِلُونَ. And when they spread out in all directions, which is your globalization, and they take control of the world. And of course we know about Gog and Magog, Hadith al-Qudsi, I have created creatures of mine so powerful that none but I can destroy them. So when they take over the world, they take control of the sea, they take control of the land, they take control of the air, it becomes the world order of Gog and Magog. They will now use that power and control over the world to bring Banu Israel back to the Holy Land, to reclaim the Holy Land. And you will see a state of Israel being restored into the Holy Land.